Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Gus and Karla here. We are your favorite Dallas realtors. Guys, we are in the community of Silverado today in the city of Aubrey, Texas. So guys, we're gonna be shooting this home, one story, beautiful DR Horton home, ready to go, brand new. So stick around, you won't wanna miss this.
So before we go any further, do us a huge favor and hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help us out and it helps our channel out.
Yeah guys, so we do help many families just like yours relocate into this North Dallas area. So if you want more information about this community in particular or this home that we're about to walk into, our information is going to be up here. You can text us, you can call us, or if you go in the description of this video, you can find emails as well. So don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions at all.
All right, guys, there you have it. We hope you enjoyed the walkthrough. This floor plan is so versatile, honestly, for so many reasons. And all the rooms are very generous sized. So, I mean, 4 bedrooms plus a study, that's like 5 bedrooms. And you've got a separate dining area from the living area, which is great. A lot of families are looking for that. And then you've got 3 full bathrooms, don't forget that. And you've got a 2-car garage. So it could definitely work if you are looking into purchasing your new home. Not a new home, obviously it's a new home. If you're looking into purchasing a first-time home. And what's great about this is the price.
Right, priced at $396 right now. They just dropped it from $426. Okay, so that's a $10,000 drop. And they are doing other incentives as well. So reach out to us so we can talk about that. And they're also doing like great like move-in packages.
Interest rates, they are able to lock you in at certain interest rates.
Yes, the case-by-case scenario on that. But yeah, reach out to us and let us negotiate for you. Let us work on your behalf. We would love to do that for you. So yeah, love the home. Leave a comment, let us know what you thought of this home. Guys, Aubrey is a booming city right now, booming town, a lot of things going up and coming town for sure. Location-wise, I mean, we're so close to Frisco, Little Elm, and just really close to Dallas. I mean, if you're people working in Dallas, don't mind the commute here to this area. So this could be a great location for you if you're looking to move here to the North Dallas area.
Okay, well, if you haven't done so already, please do us a favor and hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, if you want us to create more videos like this. If you're interested in a certain community that we haven't shot already, do us a favor, comment below, and let us know so we can go out there and shoot these videos for you.
All right, guys, we appreciate it to staying to the end of the video, and we will see you next time. Bye.